drowning in customer inquiries and missing important messages. Not anymore. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up email forwarding in Shopify, so you can streamline communication and manage customer inquiries effectively. This simple trick ensures you never miss a beat, keeping your customers happy and your business running smoothly. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Shopify Admin dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Next, look for the Settings option in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen and click on it. In the Settings menu, find and select Store Details. This section contains all the essential information about your store. Scroll down until you find the Contact Information section. This is where you will configure your email forwarding. In the Store Email field, you'll see the email address associated with your Shopify store. This is the address all customer inquiries and notifications are sent to. Simply replace the existing email address with your preferred email address, the one you actually check regularly. This could be your personal email, your business email, or even a dedicated customer service inbox. Once you've entered your preferred email address, scroll to the top or bottom of the page and click the Save button. Shopify will then save your changes, and that's it. Now, all emails sent to your Shopify store email will automatically forward to your specified address. By setting up email forwarding, you'll ensure timely responses, improve customer service, and create a seamless experience for your customers. Happy selling! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks.